Greetings everyone and welcome to our channel, that is Scanlan Media Reloaded. If you are new to our channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button. Subscribing is definitely free of charge, and like, share our content. By so doing, you're going to be helping us to develop our channel further and grow it more. To those who have already subscribed, thank you so very much. We can grow as far as your love.
Mr. Thwala, this is the statement that was made by Ms. Khumalo.
Statement lesi esenziwa uyena ke Nonhlanhla Khumalo.
Yebo.
Yes.
And in line number 3 of that statement, she says, I then ran into the bedroom and pushed the door. The tall guy followed me and tried to push the door open while I was pushing on the other side.
Ngase ngibaleka ke ngiyongena ekamereni ngaphusha ke isicabha lo omude wangilandela wazama ke ukuthi aphushe isicabha ukuthi sivuleke ngale nkathi mina ke ngangiphusha ngolunye uhlangothi noma kwelinye side.
Yebo,
ngiyakuzwa. Yes, I hear you.
Yes. Okay. We know that Ms. Khumalo is still going to come and testify. Do you understand?
Siyakwazi ke lokho ukuthi usezoza ke azonikeza ubufakazi uMs Khumalo.
Okay.
Yebo. Yes.
But what I'm referring you to, it's the statement that she made under oath.
Engikukhombisa kona ke istatement ke awasenza efungile,
which forms part of the evidence in this case.
Ekuyingxenye yobufakazi kuleli cala.
And from your testimony, you never mentioned what has been referred to in that statement, which I've read to you.
Kobakho ke ubufakazi awushongo lutho ngalokho okulesi statement engiqeda ukufundela kona manje.
Okay. I want your comment or your response. Did that take place or not?
Mfisa ukuzwa kuwena ke ukuthi kwenzeka lokhu noma cha.
The issue of Ms. Kelly running into the bedroom, being followed by the second intruder.
Ukuthi wabalekela ekamereni wase sukelwa noma lona ke omude ebaleka emsukela.
Engizokusho ukuthi angeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho ukuthi kwenzeke noma kwenzekanga, but emehlweni ami
you did not see.
Ngikubona.
What I'm going to say is that I won't say that it happened or it didn't happen, but in my eyes, I didn't see it.
Okay. You did not see it happening?
Yeah.
Yes.
Angibonanga mina lokho.
I didn't see this.
And you were inside in the house?
Wawuphakathi endlini.
Yeah.
When the so-called second intruder entered the house?
Ngale nkathi lo omude engena endlini.
Yebo ngambona vele umuntu.
Yes, I saw the tall one.
Okay. My Lord, I want this statement will be submitted later on. I just wanted to refer this witness to this paragraph only, my Lord. Can I move on, my Lord?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I also refer you, Mr. Thwala, to the statement of Mlungisi Edward Hlophe as per the Force Lawyers Case 375 A86. Paragraph 8. This statement, Mr. Thwala, was written by Mr. Mlungisi Edward Hlophe. Do you know?
This is Sapalo Mlungisi Edward Hlophe. Paragraphs are not numbered. No, I don't know him.
Okay. And in paragraph 8, okay, sorry my Lord, just before we go to paragraph 8, may I just introduce paragraph 2 of this statement, wherein this witness, Mr. Hlophe, says, paragraph 2, wherein this Mr. Hlophe says, I would like to state that Senzo Meyiwa was my brother-in-law. I'm married to his sister, Nokuthula Hazel Hlophe. I heard about his unfortunate killing on the days of the incident, the 26th of October 2014. The day was a Sunday.
Ufisa nje ukwazisa lokhu ke ukuthi ngifisa ke ukwazisa ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa kwakuwusibali wami ngishadeke nodadewabo uNokuthula Hazel Hlophe ngezwe ngeshwa ke lokubulawa kwakhe ngalelo langa lelo lesehlakalo nge-26 ka-October 2014 lolo suku lelo kwakungesonto.
Cela nje ukclarify something ngiyamazi ukuthi ngisebenzisa amagama akhe e-ID mina simbiza ngelinye igama.
I would like
ngobhutngoso so usebenzisa elinye igama lithi Mlungisi Edward Hlophe kodwa ngiyamazi kakhulu.
I would just like to clarify that I know the person, just that here his names which are contained in his identity book are used. We refer to him as Bhutingoso, but I do know him.
Okay, thank you for that correction. Then now let's...
You knew him as?
We refer to him as Bhutingoso.
Yes.
This person made a statement under the second docket, case 375, and wherein in paragraph 8, he recorded as follows. Yes. Open quote, I read my lot from the statement. Open quote, I went back inside my car and called Dumelo Madlala on the same night, 26 October 2014. I wanted to get the truth of what exactly happened. Dumelo told me that there was a fight in Kelly Khumalo's house. Zandi was fighting with her boyfriend and Senzo Meyiwa was trying to separate the two, Zandi and her boyfriend. I further asked...
You are reading so fast.
Oh,
remember,
sorry.
I don't have...
Sorry, my lord.
I have nothing before me. Okay, can you start from where you say you went back to his car?
I went back inside my car and called Dumelo Madlala.
Yes.
On the said night.
Yes.
26 October 2014, full stop, my lord.
Yes.
I wanted to get the truth of what exactly happened.
Yes.
Dumelo told me that there was a fight in Kelly Khumalo's house. Zandi was fighting with her boyfriend. And Senzo Meyiwa, my lord, was trying to separate the two.
Ifundeka ngalendlela ke uMlungisi akushoyo Edward Hlophe. Ngabuyela phakathi emotweni yami ngase ngifonela uDumelo Madlala. Just want to make sure difference. Is it on the said night or it look like on the same night? Same night. Ngalela langa lelo lange 26 ka October 2014. Ngangifisa noma ngifuna ukwazi iqiniso laloko okwenzeka ngamashi. uTumelo wangitshela ke ukuthi kwakuliwa ke emzini noma kubona kulokheli uZandi kanye nomfana wakhe noma iboyfriend yakhe babelwa uSenzo Meyiwa ezama ukuthi abehlukanise. uZandi kanye nomfana wakhe noma i-boyfriend yakhe. Okay.
Yes.
Senzo Meyiwa was trying to separate her boyfriend. Was trying to separate the two, Zandi and her boyfriend. It ends there. Did you understand that, Mr. Thwala?
Ukuzwela lokho Mr. Thwala.
ngiyakuzwa.
I hear it.
Okay. Did it happen?
Kwenzeka?
Akwenzekanga
No,
nje
it
nje.
didn't happen.
Emehlweni ami akaze nje kwenzeke lokho.
In my eyes, this never happened.
Ubhuti Ngoso wayengathula 5 years wankaze sibhala ngo-2019 statement.
Could Mr. Ngoso be quiet for 5 years and come and write a statement in 2019?
Asikhombisi nokuthi sibhale kubani le statement.
It doesn't even
Ngoba
show,
i-statement iziyasho.
because the previous statements do indicate as to who took down the statement. This one doesn't even indicate who he gave it to.
So angi-understand ukuthi kanjani ubhuti Ngoso.
I don't understand how
But
Ngoso.
naye shuthi ukuzwa kwakhe akutshelwa uTumelo ngeke ngize ngikhulumele lokho but kumina akukaze nje kwenzeke lokho.
But it means that's what he heard from Khumalo. I can't speak on his behalf, but to me it never happened.
Kodwa ngoba senzeka ngo-2019 kaya ngithuki.
But because it was made in 2019, the statement was made in 2019, it doesn't come as a shock to me.
Okay. Let's move on to Mr. Thwala. You said at some stage you corrected your statements in your examination in chief. You said you corrected the statement that you made at the beginning or on the following day after the date of the incident.
Ushilo ukuthi sikhona ke statement noma statement owazenza la owawulungisa khona owawushilo ngaphambilini.
Yebo kukhona hayi la kuphela. La prior before kukhona la correct statement.
Yes, it is so, not only here but even before there were incidents where I corrected statements.
When was that when you corrected your statement?
Kwakunini inkathi ulungisa i-statement zakho?
Angisakhumbuli kahle kodwa ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bake bafika eThekwini ngoba bangithatha emsebenzini saya ngaseBeach ngikhumbula kahle.
I don't remember well, but I do recall that they once arrived in Durban and they fetched me from work and they took me to the site of the beach. I remember that well.
When was that? Was it before you were assaulted by the police or after they were assaulted by the police?
Kwenzeka lokho ngaphambilini kokuthi ushaywe amaphoyisa noma emuva kokuthi usushaywe amaphoyisa?
When you corrected your first statement?
Kathi ulungisa i-statement sakho sokuqala.
It was before.
Some of it was before.
It was before, yes.
And some of it was after
Okunye ngathi.
the
I
beating.
would say so. Yes.
And yes,
And some of it was after the assault by the police.
I think okunye sekungaba ke ngesikhathi sikhuluma la.
I think some would be now in the time when we were speaking here.
After ukuthi sengishayiwe.
Not after the beating, no.
After the beating, you never corrected any statements.
Emuva kokuthi washaywa akaze ulungise statement.
Angikhumbula ngasho ukuthi angilunganga ngikhumbula.
No, I don't recall. Let me not say that I didn't do it. I don't remember.
Ngiyachaza yini ukuthi
Okay.
ngishayiwe.
Sorry. Does it impress you that I was assaulted? Is that it?
I told you that you are not asking me questions.
Ngibona
I'm the
ngendlela
one.
owenza ngayo.
I'm the
I
one.
see the
Who's,
manner in which you are doing things.
I'm the one who's putting questions to you, and your duty is to answer only.
Okay, I think ngibona indlela owenza ngayo nami.
No problem, but I also see the way in that you do things that if it impresses you.
You testify that you were assaulted by the police the whole night. Is that correct?
Ushilo ukuthi washaywa amaphoyisa ubusuku bonke.
Yebo.
Yes.
Did you sustain any injuries?
Walimala.
Yebo ngalimala.
Yes, I did sustain injuries.
Where?
Kuphi nendawo?
Akuyila esandleni, nala emadolweni, nasenyaweni, nala enhlani.
My
Nala
hands,
phambili.
my hands, my knees, my feet, at the back, as well as here, the front part of my body.
Sorry, I missed the year in which you were assaulted. You said in which year?
Unyaka washaywa ngawo
2019.
2019.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you?
Can you repeat? You said on the
Yeah.
leg.
Nyaweni is
Yeah.
the hands, my lord, yeah?
Nala.
Okay, so ufuna kubona. And here, ukuthi nako
Yeah.
here, my lord.
Discuss sakhona la.
Because I still have a scar here.
And
Can you, can you describe the here? The record does not understand
right
here.
next to the chest.
Nesfuba.
Left chest, right chest.
Yeah, left to left.
I would say left.
Okay.
Here.
And then nala emadolweni.
My knees.
So there we go. We've seen or witnessed the cross-examination by Advocate Mshololo to Mthokozisi Thwala, and we have been taken through Khumalo's statement. So I don't know, how do you get to view the overall issue? How do you assess? How have you assessed the cross-examination? I've sensed and I've picked up a whole lot of self-defense or sense of aggressiveness from the witness, and you could tell at some point he's picking up some emotions when you could see in and stuff like that. It's just trying to come up with a technique of agitating the advocate and to have her miss pace and momentum. And I've quite loved how Advocate Mshololo has actually came up with a way of dealing with the witness and ensure that she puts the witness where he belongs, and to always make it a point that she's just on top of a game by cross-examining the witness, irrespective of how the witness feels or how the witness get to feel by the overall examination. So do leave us your comment. How did you assess, analyze the overall cross-examination? If ever you've got a certain way in which you feel or you perceive this case is most likely to be, do share your opinions, your ideas with us. So thank you so very much for tuning in, for watching, for subscribing. Thank you so very much for choosing us as the channel of your choice. Thank you so very much for all your support. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you so very much for engaging. We hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.